Hi friends, how are you? Today I am going to show how to make mechanical engineering drawing exercise 2. We'll learn it. First of all, open the SolidWorks software, then go to File and select New and select Part and select OK. Now go to right plane and sketch. Now draw the line here. Now draw the line. Draw the line here. Now select here. Now give the dimension, this line dimension 110 and this line dimension 100 and this line dimension 20 and this line dimension 36. Okay. Now go to feature and extrude. Now go to extrude from mid plane. Now extrude here 80 extrude. Okay. Now go to again here check 36. Okay. Now go to this plane and sketch. Now draw the hairline. This point here select and this point and this point. Now give the dimension, this line dimension 60. Okay. Now go to feature and extrude. Now here extrude 12 from blind. Direction change. Okay. Now go to right plane mirror. Now here select extrude. Now here select extrude. Okay. Now go to this plane and sketch. Now here draw the rectangle. Now give the dimension rectangle here 48. Okay. Now this line and this line distance 34. Okay. Now go to feature and select extrude card. Now here select through all. Okay. Now go to here select fillet. Now here you can select fillet and select here full round fillet. Now this face select. Now this box this face select and this box this face select. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now go to this face and sketch. Now draw the circle here. This point draw the circle. Now give the circle below 44. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now here select feature and extrude card. Okay. Now go to isometric view. Now here select soft spotlight. Now here select hidden line remove. Okay, now go to smart dimension. Now give this line dimension below. Okay. Now give the below this line and this line below. Yeah. Now this line and this line below 12 and this line and this line below 24. This line and this line below 12. This line and this line below 16. Now these are below 40. This circle below 44. Okay. This point and this line below 60. Okay. Select. Now select this. Now here select none. Now leader select. Now select here custom position. Center. Now here select 20. Okay. Now we just here moderate. Now here select radius. Now this dimension select radius. Okay. Now here select this dimension. Okay. Make our job. Thank you all everyone, share and like. If have any ask you can write comment below.